Hello everyone, this lesson will be talking about this. This is the object marker in Korean. We can look at these two people. This guy said 아이스크림을 좋아해요. ice cream 좋아해요, like. And the girl said 네, 아이스크림을 좋아해요. Yes, I like ice cream. So earlier is an objective marker. When attached to a noun, it indicates that the noun is the direct object of a verb. And this verb requires an object, then we will put this in front of the nouns. And for the nouns which ends with consonants, we use and then for those ending in a vowel, which means it doesn't have a end sound, and then we'll use 를. So let's do this exercise. Circle the correct markers. 가방, the bag. So we have our end sound here. So as I said before, we have to use this one. So it's 가방을 싸요. 싸요 is buy. So this is I buy a bag. This one, 영화. 영화 is a film. And so there's no end sound here. So we'll use 를. 영화를 봐요. 영화를 봐요. I watch movie. 책. 책 is book, so there's an end sound here, so we'll use 을. 책을 읽어요. 책을 읽어요. This I read book. Coffee. There's no end sound here, so we'll use 를. 커피를 마셔요. 커피를 마셔요. I drink coffee. So in this exercise, this guy will ask you 무엇을 좋아해요? 무엇 is what, so we use object marker here, like 좋아해요. And the girl said 사과를 좋아해요. 사과, apple. 무엇을 싫어해요? What do you don't like? This 싫어해요 is like hate. 비빔밥을 싫어해요. 무엇을 좋아해요? 불고기를 좋아해요. 불고기 is this one, the BBQ meat. 무엇을 싫어해요? 갈비를 싫어해요. This is a certain part of the beef, like the part with the bone. 무엇을 좋아해요? 커피를 좋아해요. I like coffee. 무엇을 싫어해요? 콜라를 싫어해요. Coca-Cola. 무엇을 좋아해요? 초콜릿을 좋아해요. Chocolate. 무엇을 싫어해요? 우유를 싫어해요. This is milk. So you can talk with your friends and ask your friend if they like the following foods. We have 라면을 좋아해요. 케이크를 좋아해요. 비빔밥을 좋아해요. 김치를 오렌지를 좋아해요. So you can answer to these questions. The next one we will learn is how to make a present tense out of those verbs. 콜라를 마셔요. Coca-Cola. 마셔요 is a drink. 아니요, 커피를 마셔요. No, I drink coffee. So this ending 여 is a sentence ending of an informal, polite style and is used with verbs and adjectives when they're like in informal, polite style way. So in Unit 2, we learned some verbs already, but these are like other three variation of how to change into present tense. So we learned 하다, 공부하다, study, will turn into 공부해요. So 하다, we will change into 해요. 운동하다, do exercise, 운동해요. So the first one is, if the vowel is a or o, we will add a after it. And all these are with end sound first. So the first one, 받다, is receive. So there's an end sound here, and also its vowel is a. We'll change it into 받아요, receive. The next one, this one is without an end sound, but its vowel is also o. And in this way, we will add a into it, but we can mix it together with the o here, so we'll have while, come. So whenever you see a word with a vowel o, you just add an a after it. The next one, 가다. So this one is a vowel a. So basically this one and this one is the same, so we don't need to add different or additional things, so we'll use 가요, go. And when we don't have the vowels and it means we have other vowels, we'll add all into it. So this one is with our N sound, and with this so it's not this two, 먹다. 먹다 is eat. So we add oil, 먹어요, 먹어요. 추다 is dance. So it's different vowels than o. We'll add an all into it. So we will put it together. So it's like 추워요 or 쳐요. We can basically add the all here. So 쳐요 is also okay. This one. We use 쳐요 more than 추워요. This is a little bit weird if we use 추워요. The next one, 치다, is like hit something. So eat. This one is a little bit different. We will put a yaw after it. So 쳐요, 쳐요. And there is also another irregular verb I would like to introduce to you is this one. The end sound is T. And when this end sound T, when we want to change into present tense, we will change the T into R. So this 듣다 is listen. It will turn into 들어요, 들어요. And also in this one, we'll have some exercise that you can do. The first one, 운동하다, do exercise. We'll change into 운동해요. 보다, see. We'll change into 봐요. 먹다, eat. We'll change into 먹어요. Number 4, 가르치다, teach. We'll change into 가르쳐요. 5, 음악을 듣다, listen to music. We'll change into 음악을 들어요. Very nice. We have more exercise for you. So we will ask, 미나 씨가 뭐 해요? This one. How do we form into a sentence with object marker and also a present tense? 친구를 만나요. How about this one? 물을 마셔요. How about this one? 텔레비전을 봐요. And this one, 책을 읽어요. This is read a book. And this one, 일본어를 배워요. 일본어를 배워요. Learn Japanese. 영어를 가르쳐요. Teach English. So you can do this with your friend. You can make some card and then put some action on it and then do the action, and then your friend has to guess what the word is and also make it into a present tense. More exercise. We'll ask, 이분이 뭐 해요? 이분 is this person is more like respecting 이분. 이분이 뭐 해요? 가요. 친구를 만나요. 비자를 받아요. 비자 is visa, 받아요 is receive. 영화를 봐요. 책을 읽어요. 춤을 춰요 is dance a dance. 물을 마셔요. Drink water. 영어를 가르쳐요. Teach English. 테니스를 쳐요. It's like a hit the tennis, but we use it as like play tennis. 책을 빌려요. 빌려요 is like, so this is 책을 빌려요. Borrow a book. 음악을 들어요. Listen to music. 공부해요. Study. 세수해요. It's like wash your face. 숙제해요. Do homework. 운동해요. 이야기해요. It's like to have a chat. 일해요. This is work. 전화해요. This is make a phone call. 아침 식사해요. It's like have breakfast. 점심 식사해요. Have lunch. 저녁 식사해요. Have dinner. 수영해요. Swim. 컴퓨터를 해요. Use computer. 여행을 해요. Do travel. So we have the other grammar I would like to teach you is 에서. 에서 we use it after a place. So like this sentence, 어디에서 친구를 만나요? 어디 is like where. Where do you meet a friend? So we use where, 어디 as a place. 커피숍에서 친구를 만나요. Coffee shop is coffee shop and then you meet your friends there. So we have learned about 에 before and is like something exists there, and 에서 is like in contrast attached to a place, like to indicate that some action actually take place. It doesn't just exist, but it takes place there. It's more like at or in a place. Like in 학교, school, we will study, so will become 학교에서 공부해요. 식당, restaurant, 식사해요, have food. So we become 식당에서 식사해요. There's some exercise. The first one, because it's Kyle. Kyle is like go. So in this way, we cannot use in. We have to use 에, which like similar to English to go to restaurant. And this one, 영화를 봐요 is an action takes place, so we have to use 극장에서. This one, 운동을 해요 is also an action, so we have to use 체육관에서. This is like a gym room. So this is a little exercise. 어디에서 공부해요? 학교에서 공부해요. Study in school. 어디에서 커피를 마셔요? 카페에서 커피를 마셔요. Cafe is similar to coffee shop. It's like coffee shop cafe. 어디에서 운동해요? 운동장에서 운동해요. I do exercise in our exercise place. 어디에서 식사해요? 식당에서 식사해요. 식사해요. So I eat in a restaurant. 어디에서 컴퓨터를 해요? 집에서 컴퓨터를 해요. I do it in my home. So you can talk with your friends, talk about where you usually meet your friends. So you can use 어디에서 친구를 만나요. You can be like 학교에서 친구를 만나요. 커피숍에서 친구를 만나요.